In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your organization system configuration. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Organization. You should arrive at your organization settings page. On the right is a column called Configuration. Select System under Configuration. This will show you your current TeamWork 5 system configuration. You cannot make changes to this section. If you want to change something, create a new support ticket and TeamWork 5 will work with you. First, I can see whether or not my role security is turned on. It is. That means I do have role security. Next, I can see I have collaboration turned on. Collaboration is how you create events and messages to communicate with your employees. Next, I have my credentials turned on, so I can create and manage those. I do not have recruiting turned on because I don't need recruiting for this organization. I do have shift bidding turned on, but I don't have custom bidding turned on. I just have the bids that I create that my employees can select. I have forecasting turned on, which is another type of reports. I don't have scripting turned on. My enterprise schedules are turned off. That means that I can only create schedules at the location level, not at the overall organization level. I do have time and attendance turned on, which gives me different options for clocking time. My client management is turned off. Now if I scroll down, my route management is also turned off because this is not an organization that requires routes. I can create a swap board CAPTCHA, and I can control that by the number of views. I can also create a swap board CAPTCHA reset. So if my employee doesn't respond to the CAPTCHA, it will automatically reset and create a new one. And then there's an option to add in a file. Let's say I do want to create a CAPTCHA. I will click the arrow, and it will automatically give me 1 per every 30 views. 30 is the minimum, so I can go up, but I cannot go down past 30. Then I could decide how often I want the CAPTCHA to reset, how many minutes. So again, if I click the up arrow, it will automatically start at 30 minutes. I don't actually want to add these, so I'm going to clear that real quick. If you're happy with your changes, click Save. I'll go ahead and do that. And now my changes have been saved. Notice a green save bar has appeared under the Save button, letting me know when I last saved this screen. That's how you can view your organization's system configuration. Check out the next video to learn how to view your organization folders.